Unlocking Wealth, Millionaire-Made Side Hustles for Financial Freedom. Welcome to your gateway to financial freedom. In today's video, we're unveiling 8 side hustles that have helped countless individuals break free from the traditional 9-to-5 and step into a world of wealth. First up, let's talk about e-commerce. With the rise of online shopping, starting your own e-commerce store can be a lucrative venture. Real-life success stories are proof that with the right strategy, this side hustle can turn into a full-time income. Another powerful side hustle is affiliate marketing. By promoting products and earning a commission for every sale made through your referral, you can generate significant income without the need for your own products. Investing in real estate might seem daunting, but it's a path that has led many to millionaire status. Whether it's renting out property or flipping houses, the real estate market holds vast potential for side income. Freelancing has exploded in popularity, offering skills-based opportunities in writing, graphic design, and programming. Tailor your skill set to meet market demand and watch your side hustle flourish. Creating and selling digital products, such as ebooks, courses, or software, can provide a substantial income. The beauty of this side hustle is that after the initial effort, it can generate passive income over time. Social media consulting is a golden opportunity in our digital age. Brands are constantly seeking experts who can enhance their online presence, making this a lucrative side hustle for the tech-savvy. Don't overlook the power of content creation. Whether it's through blogging, YouTube, or podcasting, creating engaging content can attract lucrative partnerships, sponsorships, and advertising revenue. Lastly, mobile app development offers a unique chance to solve problems on a global scale. With the right idea and execution, your app could be the next big hit, yielding a significant return on investment. Remember, the journey to financial freedom begins with the first step. Each of these side hustles requires dedication, but the rewards can be life-changing. As you consider which path to take, think about your skills, your passions, and the amount of time you can invest. There's no one-size-fits-all answer, but there's certainly a side hustle that's perfect for you. We hope this video has inspired you to explore the possibilities that side hustles bring. The road to financial independence is paved with effort, innovation, and the courage to take the leap. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Your future of financial freedom awaits, and remember, with the right strategies and determination, you too can unlock your earning potential and achieve unprecedented success. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on achieving financial freedom.